Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss evaluation of postfix expression, program implementation. In previous video, automatically we discussed how we can evaluate the postfix expression. In this video, we will discuss how to write a program in C to evaluate the postfix expression. So don't skip the video. Please watch the complete video. It is very easy to understand how to implement the evaluation of postfix expression. Just I will recollect the things simply. 2, 3 plus is the postfix expression. Then, so how can we evaluate this? If 2 is operand, then push into the stack. Then 3 is also operand, push into the stack. Next, plus. So operator, then what we had to do is we had to pop 2 times. So then OP2 equal to 3, OP1 equal to 2. Then apply this operator in between OP1 and OP2. So 2 plus 3, 5. If you have not seen the previous video of problem solving, you please watch the video and see the implementation of this evaluation of postfix expression. Now just we will move on to program implementation. Now evaluation of postfix expression as usual. So here we will include the header files. So first I will write the comment lines. Evaluation of postfix expression. Yeah, include the header files. Hash include std io.h. Then here we require push operation, pop operation and stack data structure. So here postfix expression is the string format. So that's why here I am taking postfix expression as a string format. Okay. And we are performing push operation, pop operation like that. So we are taking top, which is equal to -1, and stack sum size 20. Okay. Now start your main function. Here first read the postfix expression. So printf enter postfix expression. Now reading a string. What is getAs function? GetAs function is reading a string. So postfix. Yeah. Now your postfix expression is ready. This we had to evaluate. So how to evaluate this postfix expression? That evaluation process we will do in evaluate function by passing that as a parameter. So postfix, and it will return some result, some number it will result now 2, 3 plus. So here I have shown you. So here 2, 3 plus the resultant is 5. So this evaluation is returning some value. So for that purpose here we will take some result equal to evaluate of postfix expression. That result we have to declare it, and res and function declaration and evaluate of character array. Okay, now save. Yeah, that result we have to print. Printf after evaluation the result is, then result. Okay, so now coming to this function, evaluate, this function we have to write. Now we will write that evaluate. It returns integer. Evaluate is the function name which is taking parameter postfix a string format. So here postfix, it is a string. String is nothing but character array. That's why we have considered it as an array. Okay. So now So here what we will do is we will take one by one character. If you observe now, if you observe here, so 2, 3 place. Suppose 2, 3, 4 place star. What shall we do? We will read one by one character. First 2, then 3, then 4, then place, then star. Like that, character by character we had to read. Okay. So that here we are reading. That we have to store in some variable which is of a character, symbol, and 0th character, first character, second character. Like that we have to take for loop control variable, integer, I variable. Whenever required we will declare the variables. So now start reading. So here just I will write comments reading postfix expression. Okay, for I equal to 0, then postfix array you have to read until it is null character. Postfix of I not equal to null character, and one by one we have to read. Go to next position. Now store that character in one variable, that is a symbol variable. So postfix of I. So now, so first 2, 3. Now see what happened here. So first here it is 2. Next one is 3. So first character here it is 2. Okay, that 2 is stored in this symbol variable. Okay. Now we have to check whether it is an operand or an operator. If it is an operand, push into the stack. That's why we will check whether it is operand. Check whether that symbol or the character is operand or operator. First we will check whether it is an operand. Operand means like 0 to 9 digits you have to get now. So we will check like this. So what is the symbol? And that symbol is a character form, that we have to check whether it is in between 0 to 9 or not. So we will check. If symbol is greater than or equal to 0 and symbol is less than or equal to 9, 0 to 9. Okay, if it is the case, that symbol, that is a character. That character you have to convert into numeric, that means integer. Okay, to perform the operation. So convert. So that I am storing in number. That symbol is converted into integer by writing this statement. Okay, character, what is the meaning of this? Character is converted into an integer. Okay, and if it is an operand, what shall we do? That we will push into the stack. Okay, so number is not declared, so here we will declare. If the symbol is not an operand, that means it is an operator. If it is an operator, what shall we do? We have to pop twice. So apply pop operation twice. First popped symbol is stored in OP2. Next one is stored in OP1. Okay. Then after popping, so we have to apply that operator in between these two operands. So we will do that in another function, eval op1 comma op2 comma symbol, and this also will return some result equal to, see here you are 2 times you are doing pop operation and you are performing that operator in between these two operands, and what you are doing, this result you have to push into the stack again now. So again that you have to push into the stack, which is nothing but result. Result is pushed into the stack. Okay, so result is pushed into the stack. That's all. So here only two cases. If it is an operand, push into the stack. If it is an operator, apply that operator in between these two operands and push that resultant into the stack. Like that, you have to repeat the process until that string is null character. Okay. Final, what we have to return? Now this else is closed here. This here it is closed. Yeah, this loop is closed here. And finally, what you have to return here? So finally, whatever the result present in the stack, that you have to return. So pop off simply. Whatever is present in the stack, that will be returned. That's it. Yeah, close this. Now we have to write this function. So we will write again, this also returns integer eval. So you have to apply in between these two eval. So integer number 1, integer number 2, and that is a plus minus operators na, char symbol. Excuse me. So now switch off. Based on the operator, the operation has to perform. So we will write case if the symbol is plus. What shall we do? If it is plus, so return number 1 plus number 2. That's it. If the symbol is minus, then return number 1 minus number 2. Next, multiplication. Return number 1 star number 2. Similarly, division. If it is a division, return number 1 by number 2. Like that, you can apply any number of operators here. Case, suppose power, then return power of number 1 comma number 2. That's it. And finally put semicolon here. Yeah, switch is closed, that eval function is closed. Save your program, and here we have to write push function and pop function. Now I will write push and pop here. So push function, it returns nothing, void push off. See, this push function is taking integer data type. So that integer here I am writing integer sum x. How can we perform push operation? Simply top incrementation and stack of top equal to x. That's it. Stack of top equal to, see, top is initialized to -1. So first top is incremented and then inserted. Similarly, pop. So see, pop, what it is returning. So integer is pushed into the stack. Integer will be popped from the stack into pop off. Simply return. See, what we have to return? Stack top we have to return. So stack of top has to return, and then top should be decremented. That's it. Okay, now simply we will compile once. Compile. See, OP1 and OP2 are not declared. So declare them OP1 comma OP2. Yeah, result is not declared. Result. Compile. See, this function is not declared. Function prototype is required na. So eval function. So that we will write the declaration. Compile. Then no execute. So sum 2, 3 plus I am giving. After evaluation, the result is, it is not printing anything. So result, see something. So this result postfix we are passing as an array. Then here we are not getting the result. Say run, the value is not printing here 2, 3 plus. That means see the printf statement. Don't worry if you are getting error or not getting output. See, you are not printing any value. So here %d we had to give. Without %d, how it prints the value? Yeah. Okay. Now compile it. Execute. 8, 9 minus. See, 8, 9 minus is nothing but 8 minus 9. The value is minus 1. That's all, students. This is evaluation of postfix expression. Hope you understand the implementation of evaluation of postfix expression. So if you understand this, so please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.